All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video we're going to talk about the third major type of intermediary, and this would be your investment company. Or investment companies. So we talked about direct financing, where the banks were involved, and indirect financing, where third-party financial institutions, private lenders, depositors, and investors were involved. In this video, we're going to talk about investment companies. Now, investment companies deal with pension and government retirement funds, for example. They deal with mutual funds. They deal with segregated funds. They deal with other types of investment products. Now, basically, when you're dealing with these companies, you're looking for long-term investment and wealth creation. You're looking for a way to secure your retirement, for example. You're looking for a way to pay for your health expenses, if not covered by your health card in your province. You're looking for a way to pay for your travel. You're looking for a way to pay for your monthly expenses, your operating expenses for your business, or your monthly expenses for your personal life, for personal expenditures. Your way, you're looking for a way to invest in a product that gives you a return big enough for you to spend every month, and take care of your expenses. So these are investment companies that deal with investment products. And they're also intermediaries. All right, so this is investment companies. This is pension. And government retirement funds. All right, you have stocks. Things that transformation of bonds and stocks into annuities. So we're talking about annuities. And annuities are basically, monthly or yearly payments that you get after you deposit a certain amount of money, sort of like making a deposit in your bank account and getting paid interest. However, in this case, you're getting monthly installments or yearly installments, whichever the case might be, in exchange for a fixed sum of deposit, which you're not able to retrieve once you start getting paid, which you're not able to receive once you're getting monthly installments, up to a certain limit, up to a certain age, for example. All right. Now, apart from annuities, you also have mutual funds. Mutual funds are another type of investment products. All right. And you also have other types of mutual funds. You have money market mutual funds. So we talked about money market. You also have money market mutual funds. These are other types of investment products. All right. Now the idea over here, just like you invest in your RRSP, your registered retirement savings account. And the RRSPs, they eventually pay off. Once you retire, for example, once you reach a certain age. Your investment products would pay off when you reach a certain age. If they don't pay you, they might pay your beneficiaries, they might pay your family, so on and so forth. So this has to do with an intermediary. And these are intermediaries because you're dealing with them indirectly. You're dealing with them via their investment products. All right, so that will be it for this video on behalf of Electronics. This is Ubaid. Have yourself a great day.